Hi, my name's Ryan. I'm from Canada. Just had a surf lesson with Mojosurf in Byron Bay, and I had a great time with them. The staff were very, very professional. They came right to the hostel and picked us up and took us to the beach. They've got lots of different sizes of surfboards for different people of different sizes and different skill levels. They started off with stretching, making sure that everyone was warmed up and stretched. Gave us a good lesson, made sure that we had a good idea of the concept of proper technique. Then they gave us a lesson on rip currents and different currents, how to read the water, and a little safety briefing as well. So I thought that was great. Then when we were in the water, they were able to clarify a lot to me at what point I was supposed to stand up, the proper location on the board, give me pointers when I was on the board, and if I kept on falling off, they were able to tell me what I was doing wrong right when I needed to know. So they did a fantastic job in teaching me. Like I learned a lot on how to surf today. I feel I can go out on my own and actually be able to practice properly now. They also do have a photographer that comes along and takes pictures of you, and you can buy those pictures afterwards. I definitely recommend Mojo.